Custom Car Care.
Summer is already here and it's very hot out there. For this week's Minute Maintenance Reminder from A1 Custom Car Care, we'll cover some do's and some don'ts for your vehicle's AC system. If it's not working, don't add chemicals or other sealants to your AC system. Do have your vehicle examined by a qualified technician who uses the right kind of equipment to diagnose your AC problem. If you notice that your AC isn't blowing as hard out of your dash vents, don't assume that it is a costly repair. It could be some simple maintenance that we can help you with. Do take your vehicle to have the cabin air filter checked and possibly replaced. This has been your Minute Maintenance Tip from A1 Custom Car Care.
Your complete car care solution. A1 Custom Car Care. A1 Custom Car Care.